You know that Umuada are the peacekeepers and moral compass in Igbo communities?
Isiago on our shoulders, masquerade inside.
You're welcome back. This is Igbo tradition, my heritage. And today we'll be discussing about the much talked Umuada. Who are the Umuada? Umuadas, they are daughters of the lineage. Daughters, female child, any female child born in a family is Wada. So group of them, they are called Umuada. Whether married, whether widow, whether divorcee, it does not matter what the status of the lady is, but as long as she is born in that lineage, she is Wada. Yes, in Igbo tradition we have Ada, that's the first daughter of the Obi, that's the Ada. But now this Umuada, it's like I said, they are the peace keepers and they are moral compass in every Igbo community. They are very powerful. When I remember the roles Umuada play in Igbo land, and I'll be asking myself, this feminism, some women say that Igbo women are being marginalized, by the men, and I'll be wondering where such is coming from, knowing the role Umuada play in Igbo society. Do you know that Umuadas, in most cases, whatever they say stands in a community, irrespective of what the male counterparts have agreed on. If Umuada stands on their feet and said that this will not happen, it will not happen. That is to tell you how powerful that institution is. Umuada, they play a lot of the role they play in each community. They are numerous. Like I mentioned, when it comes to infidelity, did you know that is Umuada that will go into investigation? Did you know that is the Umuada that will even enforce the law against any woman that has gone against it? Did you know that is the Umuada that will parade the woman? Did you know that in funerals, Umuada, when they say that you see this body, that this body, that they will not bury that person until certain rites are being performed. Do you know that elders cannot do anything about it? That is to tell you how powerful this Umuada is. So I don't know where feminism is coming from and all these talks about marginalization against Igbo women by the men. Honestly, I don't know where it's coming from. According to Igbo tradition, this Umuada, they are very powerful. What they say is what stands. And what they say will not stand, will not stand. And what they say will stand in every community. They are seen as the peacekeepers. And they are seen as the moral compass. Disputes among siblings, Umuada, they are the ones that look into it. When a man is maltreating the wife, any report against any man in any marriage, Umuada, they are the ones that handles it. That is to tell you how powerful Umuadas are. We have Inyumudi. They are different from the Umuadas. We'll be discussing about the Inyumudis. You will know who these Inyumudi are. But today we are talking about the Umuadas, the peacekeepers in every community, the enforcers of the law. They are the ones that make sure that the laws of the community are being obeyed. They are the enforcers of the law. You hear about Umuada coming to sit in maybe in a family. Maybe they've asked, a family is being asked to do something, and that family refuses to do it. It's Umuada that will come singing. They will refuse to go. They are the ones that will stay in that family until whoever that is involved will do what is requested of him or her to do. That is to tell you how powerful these Umuadas are. Whether they are married, still married, but in their father's family, they still have that authority. And that is why in Igbo tradition, I'm not talking about what is happening now. In great Igbo tradition, when Umuada is, when Umuada is no more, she's not even buried in her husband's place. The body of Umuada is being returned back to her father's house. That is to tell you how this Umuada, how powerful you as Umuada is. Then the collection of all the Umuadas, they form Umuada. So Umuadas, they are the peacekeepers and moral compass in every Igbo community. And like I said, these are the collection of female children born in that lineage, in that family, whether married, divorced, it does not matter the marital status, whether single, all are Umuadas. So these are the Umuadas. Very, very important, very, very powerful. What they say stands, irrespective of what the female counterparts are saying. There are things the female counterparts will say, and Umuada say no. As they have said it, that's how it will stand. So this is when you hear Umuada, these are the Umuadas. Female children, daughters born in a family, in a lineage, whether married, single, widow, they are all Umuadas. They are the peacekeepers and moral compass of every Igbo community. That's why it's expected of them, Umuada, that they live upright and that their judgment is always upright. They don't involve in corruption or impartiality, or being partial. So this is who Umuada is. This is who Umuada are. I'll be seeing you in my next video when we'll be discussing another Igbo tradition, my heritage. Another interesting topic is coming up. Bye.
Under the cola tree, our story.